Good evening, everyone. My name is Akhila, and this is my tape Sanjeevani. So, imagine a future where AI can predict the drugs which can fight neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Instead of waiting for decades for new treatments, we could identify the existing drugs which could be used, right? So that's where our project is really exploring. So we have developed an AI-powered model where it predicts the existing FDA-approved drug could relate the Alzheimer diseases proteins. So while we have worked on synthetic data, our whole point is how AI can be used in existing drugs. AI can be used in this thing. So Alzheimer's, now we have over 50 million people in the world that is facing with Alzheimer's diseases, but yet no cure. Why? Because the traditional discovery of the drug development is slow, expensive, and inefficient. It could take decades. Now we have to think a faster way and cost-effective way to slow down this process. That's where AI comes in. We have built a model where it helps the people to reuse the drugs.
So solutions to these problems is the cost effectiveness. We leverage our AI to predict existing data of FDA-related drugs so that they are able to use beta, amyloid, and tau proteins, and these are more cost effective, which allows the researchers to implement our systems to pretty much get the drugs to implement faster.
Here, actually, we developed a model, that's AI model. The main thing is actually our motive is we have to use the already existed drugs. Actually, to find the new drug, it costs most of the investment and also it takes a lot of time as well. We took some drug-related data sets and the protein data sets. By using these data sets, we feed the AI model by using we use the random forest model. The random forest model actually gives the 88% accuracy. Let me show you. Let me walk you through my code. Okay, actually, we developed an AI model that gives the accuracy of 88%. And also we build the front-end development there where the user or doctor can enter his details like his name, age, ethnicity, its medical history, and he has to enter his protein target. So once he enter all these details, the user gonna click on the predict. So after click on the predict, the thing is going to take the results from the backend that related to our AI model. So it's gonna display all the recommended drugs. So that's how it's gonna recommend the already existed drugs to the customer or user. Okay.
Real world impact, how is this going to be beneficial? Pharmaceutical companies, hospitals and healthcare providers, and for also biotech startup companies.
Yeah. Hello. Next slide. Yeah. Hello. As we all know that our model is currently limited to the Alzheimer's disease. So, but we can extend our model to the lot of neurodegenerative diseases like Parkinson's, ALS, and different number of diseases. So, it will help the doctors or researchers to predict the medicine as soon as possible. So, right now in our model, we are using an AI model call. So we're using an AI model. So this So this graph neural network model works closely with the molecules and gives the results. So it will give the more accurate results. So this is the thing we're gonna develop in the future. So in conclusion, I can say that this AI model is just an idea. So with this type of AI model, so we can cure or reduce the age-related diseases. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
You guys want to go up? Yeah.
I would like to take a moment and show thank you all for the mentors to being here and guide us, especially you, sir, to be connected with us today morning and give the beautiful insights that helps us to build this model.
The question is that you're looking at repurposing existing drugs. What about new drugs?
Sir, actually, as I said, to find the new drugs, that takes a lot of time. We don't know how much duration it's gonna take. Maybe it's for some time, till some time, maybe more than that. And also, it takes a lot of investment, like billions of dollars of investment. So we thought in a way that why we're gonna create the new medicine. If any existing medicine is that gonna work in the way such way that whatever we're thinking. So that's what we built this AI model. If it is working in that way, that's gonna definitely use for the society.
The fact says that already researchers did some research saying that agile can be used for some reason and it can also be used for treating other diseases.
Nice work. You had on your interface history and then even some demographic input. How do you plan on incorporating that data into the model or the search process?
So actually, first of all, whatever the data sets we took, we feed the model. So already model has all the necessary data. So later we develop the user interface. There, wherever the user gonna enter his details, the main thing is the mandated field is here is the protein structure. That's it. This is actually the we developed. This is the beta armored protein structure. Whenever we gonna enter this input over there, once we break the system, so through the backend it runs the model, so it will get all the related information, and as a result, it's gonna show the recommended drug names.
So basically we have two examples of Alzheimer's. So Alzheimer's RNA basically targets like beta stars, like these kinds of proteins. We have drugs which can also target these kinds of proteins. So we're gonna map these drugs with these proteins and give the drug list, existing drug list. So, yeah.
Thank you.